How to create a shop now button on TikTok. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So if you would like that shiny shop button on your TikTok profile but it's mysteriously missing, here's how you can fix that issue. For that, open up TikTok application. Once you open the application, you want to go ahead and simply log in to your TikTok account. So once you're logged into your account, go ahead and simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. And once you're inside your profile section, all you have to do is simply tap on this 3-line icon and just like so tap on settings and privacy. Inside settings and privacy, scroll all the way to the bottom and then tap on report a problem. Just like so inside here, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom again, then tap on chat with us. And just like so inside this button, you want to go ahead and simply type in report a problem, and once you type it in, you will be able to find a submit a ticket option. Tap onto it. And just like so inside here, you want to go ahead and type, I am missing the shop now button on my TikTok account and I need this to be fixed. It's really important for my TikTok user experience. And just like so, once you type it in, you can go ahead and simply paste the screenshot or a video. Once done, go ahead and tap on submit. And once you hit the submit button, simply wait for 24 to 48 hours. And that's it guys, with luck, TikTok will flip the switch and your shop now button will appear like magic. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.